Make It Match is revolutionizing the flooring industry. The Make It Match system gives flooring professionals the tools, the tapes, and the techniques to quickly produce matching transitions and trims on site. Existing flooring profiles and accessory items can quickly be transformed into perfectly matching components to finish off any rigid core LVP flooring installation. The plank skinner allows flooring professionals to quickly and cleanly remove the decorative wear layer from rigid core vinyl planks. Then, using MatchWrap adhesive tape, the decorative wear layer is wrapped and permanently adhered around the accessories of your choosing. You can wrap over the top of factory pre-wrapped profiles. You can even wrap commercial profiles of rubber, PVC, and metal. A Make It Match Pro Starter Kit, which contains the tools and the tapes, is available to get you started right away. Why coordinate when you can make it match? Visit makeitmatch.com for more information.